How to fix no sound in Fortnite on Windows PC. So if you want to fix no sound in Fortnite on Windows PC, then first you just need to go for your search and search for command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on yes, and here you will have this kind of interface where you just need to enter some commands. So now type in net space stop space audio SRV. Once you've done that, you need to go for your Fortnite app and check if your sound is back. And the solution two is to tweak Windows audio settings. Open up the settings and go for the system option and go for sound. Under sound, you need to choose speakers, or if you have an option of digital audio, you need to simply choose the digital audio, and you need to adjust the volume and check that if your problem is fixed. And the solution three is change in-game audio settings. So you can simply launch the Fortnite application and you can simply go for the settings icon from the menu, and then you can simply adjust the volume for the main music sound effects. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing is you need to go for device manager. Simply open up your device manager. Under your device manager, you need to go for the first option, which is audio inputs and outputs. Enlarge that, and then you need to choose the option of digital audio. If you have the digital audio option, simply right click on it and then go for update driver and update your drivers, and then click on search automatically for drivers. And once you've done, you need to go back and you need to restart your device, and once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix no sound in Fortnite on Windows PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.